In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel and CSV files to Monday.com. Importing data can seem daunting at first, but it's actually a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive in and make sure you can do it smoothly. To start with, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Monday.com workspace, where you'll see your profile picture. Give that a click, and a menu will appear. From the menu options, you'll want to select Import Data. This will initiate the process of bringing in your external information into Monday.com, whether it's from an Excel sheet or a CSV file. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose the format of the file you're importing. Go ahead and select Excel CSV, since these are the types we are working with today. At this point, a new pop-up will appear, where you can either drag and drop your files, or if you prefer, click to browse through your File Explorer and select the specific files you need. This flexibility makes it easy whether you're working with just a few files or many. Now that your files are uploading, you get to the fun part: customization. First, you need to select the first row that contains your useful data. It's important to note that any cells before this chosen row will not be included in your import. So, be sure your first row contains either your headers or the first set of data you want to work with. Moving on, it's time to select your first column. Again, you should carefully select because any cells to the left of this column will be left out of the import. Selecting the right starting point in both rows and columns is crucial for a clean data import. With your row and column selections made, you're almost there. The next step is to define what type of columns you've just imported. Monday.com offers various column types, such as numbers, status labels, and more. Classifying your data correctly helps ensure smooth integration into the platform's dynamic features. It's as simple as choosing from the options that best align with your data. To wrap things up, once you've indicated the column types, all that's left to do is click Create. And with that, your data is seamlessly imported into Monday.com, ready for you to manage, analyze, and incorporate into your workflows. And there you have it. Importing Excel and CSV files into Monday.com is an intuitive process that, once mastered, can significantly enhance how you manage your tasks and projects. Thanks for following along, and remember, practice makes perfect. By getting comfortable with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Monday.com Data Import Pro.